How to change screen resolution on Windows. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily change your display resolution on Windows. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and right click on your desktop, and then you'll find the display settings right over here. If you don't see it, then you can directly access your settings. So go ahead and search for settings from your start menu, hit enter. And on the left side, you'll have different options: Bluetooth and devices, system, home. So under home, you could find your display settings here if you access it a lot, but you just want to initially head over to system and then display. Now, once you are here, under scale and layout, you have an option to change your scale as well as your display resolution. So I'm currently at the highest one. So if I just go ahead and drop down the resolution here, it's not going to look great. So you could also revert it back to your original settings. So you could choose all of these settings from here. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.